Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the poem Try Again, that is of class 7th. Now we are going to start with the NCERT based questions, and let us do these activities before we read. These are the activities that we are going to do before we read. Now first question here given, who inspires you to do your best? It is a question asked and it is going to be discussed in the class first before starting the lesson. Second one is work in pairs. In pair you need to do the work and you need to identify what you see in the pictures given below and what can we learn from them. This is the question here, and you can see the image here. Images given here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you are going to discuss with your classmates regarding this question. Directly we are coming to the text of this particular poem, and it is the text here. Stanza wise we are going to understand it in a better way. We are starting with certain new words and also the meaning of the complete stanza. So the first stanza is, let us read it first. King Bruce of Scotland flung himself down in a lonely mood to think. 'Tis true he was monarch and wore a crown, but his heart was beginning to sink. So one word here given here is flung. Flung means when you are totally depressed or inactive. When you are inactive and lose hope totally, that is called flung himself down. In a lonely mood to think, he was quite lonely at the time and he was thinking. 'Tis true he was monarch. It is true. It is true that he was a monarch. Monarch means he was a king and he was wearing a crown. He wore a crown, he was having a crown, but his heart was beginning to sink. But he was having certain worries and that's why his heart was sinking there. Now stanza 2 you can see. For he had been trying to do a great deed. Deed here refers to you can say any work or any goal that he need to achieve. To make his people glad, he had tried and tried but couldn't succeed. Means he was doing something in order to make his people happy. It was a great work or goal that he needed to accomplish. He was trying again and again but could not be able to get success in that. So he became quite sad. Due to that disappointment, he was sad here because success was not coming to him. He flung himself down in despair. Flung himself again, flung is given here. That means he was totally disappointed. Despair again is disappointed. Disappointed, as grieved as man could be. Grieving means feeling sorrow. And after a while he pondered there. Pondered here given, that means a deep thought. When you are thinking deeply about something, that means you are pondering. He pondered there. I will give it all up. He was saying that I would give it up. Giving up means feeling defeated. That we all know, feeling defeated. Up to this stanza, he was quite depressed, he was disappointed, and he was feeling that he was not able to continue with the goal that he wanted to achieve, and he was saying that he had all given up. Now coming to the next stanza. Now just at that moment, a spider dropped with its silken, filmy clue, and the king in the midst of his thinking stopped to see what the spider would do. Now at that moment, a spider dropped. When he was thinking at that time, a spider came there, it dropped down with its silken filmy clue. It was being tied with the clue that that the spider is having, and the king, he was being distracted at that time and he stopped thinking to see what spider would do. Now he was interested in the activity that spider would do in the next part. He was interested that what spider would do after falling down. 'Twas a long way up to the ceiling door. It was, was means it was a long way. Now spider has to go for a long way in order to go to the ceiling, and it hung by a rope so fine. But was hung? The spider. And how it would get to its cobweb home, and spider wanted to go to its home, and it was on the ceiling. King Bruce could not divine, and King Bruce was thinking that no divine could help her out, and it was a long way. Spider could not be able to move to her home. She could not be able to do that. He was disappointed, and that's why somewhere he was thinking that the spider would not achieve its goal, just like the king could not be able to achieve his goal. Now, coming to the next part of the poem, we will discuss later with the important words and their meaning. With poetic devices, we will discuss it again. So, next part we will do in the next class. Thank you.